Can't afford you in touch with those here.
Alright, listen, we got it looks like auto burglary in progress, guys, on that car. 2 black males just came out and tried to pull on those door handles. They're getting back in that car.
Copy, just keep an eye on it. Let Hall take the radio. No. For 97 area. Go ahead, Johnny.
Alright, he's currently trying to get into the car next to him. It's a Chrysler. Actually, he got the car open. It's an Audi. It's an Audi SUV. I'm sorry, Audi vehicle. He got in the front seat, driver's seat. 10DBK is the Mercedes. Alright, yep, they're gonna bail. Stand by.
I'm 33. Dogs on the ground.
Alright, I'm gonna have the radio, please. Vehicle's taking off. Head on for Uncle Sam, stand by. Let Vero know, please, let Vero know.
Where they at, Johnny?
Right behind you, they got him cornered in, stand by.
Get on the ground!
Western entrance. Stand by. Alright, I need more units down there, please. K9, there's one more in the back. Tony, there's one guy in the back still in the car. Just hold your position. Everybody hold tight. There's still more guys in the vehicle. Hold tight.